I'm Phil Withell from JCB Construction Equipment Australia. Behind me is the latest release from JCB, the 18Z Tailswing mini excavator. JCB started in business in 1945, so after nearly 75 years of engineering excellence and design innovation, they are well practiced to enter this market segment with the new 18Z Tailswing unit. Weighing in at 1.7 tonne, the 18Z is jam-packed with features and benefits that will help you get the tasks done quickly, safely, on a low cost of ownership platform. The wide opening onto the operator's platform gives you quick, safe and easy access up into the operator's seat. Once you're in the seat, you've got good room to feel comfortable and get yourself set for the day's tasks. The unrestricted view to the worksite is just awesome, and the ROPS certified two-post canopy provides a protective structure for the operator in case of tip or rollover. Space, comfort and safety are a great combination, and the 18Z has got that in spades. The controls are light, simple and intuitive, and when we start working with the machine, you'll see how the 18Z hydraulics give you the capability to use a combination of controls at full power. That means you get the task done quicker. The JCB 18Z mini excavator is covered by a 3-year, 3,000 hour warranty. From hitch to tail. The hitch is a JCB genuine component. It is a full mechanical hitch, which doesn't require the removal of the rear pin from the bucket. What you do notice about the 18Z is its robustness. And the hitch is a cast component, robust for plenty of long life and durability. While we're on that subject of robustness, the dipper, or sometimes known as the arm, or here in Australia, the stick, that is of the 4-plate design. So we have a top and bottom closing plate with side plates. In an excavator operation where you're pulling and pushing with that arm, that provides maximum robustness and durability. The boom is along the same lines. The boom also uses an upper and bottom plate with side closing plates. This provides that structure with maximum strength. The boom length is 1800 millimeters, and on this 18Z, the stick length is 950 millimeters. That provides you with the optimum dig, reach and dump height dimensions. A key feature of the low cost of life platform are the greasing intervals on the 18Z boom and dipper. From this bottom pin all the way through to the boom pin are 500-hour grease intervals. Yes, 500-hour grease intervals. That is achieved by using graphite impregnated bushes, which are a natural lubricant. Graphite is a natural lubricant. And to make that work fully for us, JCB have sealed the outsides of the pins. It keeps the grease in and the dust out. The boom light provides good visibility if you happen to be working in the dark. This is adjustable to the best position for you as an operator. Blade work is a common task requirement for a mini excavator, and on the 18Z we've made extending the blade to match the expanding track width of 1330mm real easy for you. Pull up this pin device, flick the wing around and put the locking pin back in, and you've done it. No removing components, no having to get spanners out to remove bolts, just simply pull and push. The king post on the 18Z is a solid cast structure, and again, from a low cost platform, JCB have elected to put bushes into that cast housing so that the pins actually run in the bush. If there's any wear in these areas, then it's the bush that wears, not the casting. That saves time and money after 3,000–4,000 hours of operation. When we move to our undercarriage, weight is an important factor. JCB use heavy steel for the undercarriage, and the reason for that is it's important to get your centre of gravity low on a mini excavator. The lower the centre of gravity, the better the balance of the machine. And when you're operating a zero tail swing machine, balance is all important. We'll also see on the undercarriage and the track legs, sloping legs, so that dirt runs off them for easy cleaning. There are also 10 tie-down points, so this will match any trailer or truck configuration to make it easier and safer for you to tie the machine down. We have a tie-down point on the front and rear of the track leg. We have tie-down points on the upper structure, both at the front corner and the rear corners on each side. That provides you with the capability to quickly move from site to site, whether it's on a trailer or a truck. Your tie-down process is sped up and you save time and money. Another exclusive with the 18Z is replaceable wear pads on the undercarriage. So on the undercarriage with the expanding tracks that go from 990mm total width to expand to 1330mm, JCB employ sacrificial wear pads inside the undercarriage. This is an exclusive in the industry, and it lowers the overall whole of life costs of the machine. Simply, if wear takes place in that area, you replace the wear pads. It means you don't have to go in there and build up steel structures with weldments. That's a whole saving of time and money. Centre of gravity, as we've always said, is really important. The other design criteria that JCB employ with their mini excavators is a flat plate chassis. This chassis provides weight down low. It's one big single plate off which all the upper structure components are mounted. So it really provides two benefits: weight down low and a solid structure of which to mount the rest of the upper structure of the mini excavator. Serviceability from a daily perspective is really important. And we spoke already of the 500-hour grease intervals on your dipper through to your boom. Ease of access and visibility of service ports is also very important. On this side, we can see the hydraulic oil level. Simple visual check. This right-hand steel panel also swings out, and that gives you access in to have a look at the radiator area to make sure that's clear of debris and there are no leaks around that area. In terms of doing the 500-hour filter service on this machine, easy access to the hydraulic filter is gained again through this right-hand steel panel. JCB employs steel panels all around the machine. We've got a steel panel which is an opening door on the right side, and we move to the back with a cast steel counterweight that provides that balance, which is all important for a zero tail swing machine. and also the robustness at the rear of the machine where damage could occur. The left panel is also made of steel. Steel is more easily repaired and the machine can be put back out into work quickly, especially if you're in the hire business where turnover rates and utilisation is very important for return on investment. Steel panels can be repaired and made to look schmick a lot quicker than fiberglass panels. Refueling of the machine is done from ground level, and that's done from this point here. A lockable fuel cap on the 18Z, again, is easily accessible. Daily servicing can also be done around the back of the machine, very simply and easy. By simply opening this steel door service panel, it provides access into engine oil level, a visual on the sediment bowl of the fuel filter, access to the air cleaner, a visual check on the water coolant recovery bottle for the cooling system, and access to the engine oil filter. The service intervals for the engine, again on the theme of a low overall cost platform, are 500 hours. Each of the opening panels have a safety latch to prevent them closing on your back should the wind be blowing at the time of service. Simply lift the latch, reclose the service door, and you're back in business. To swing the rear counterweight out, all we need to do is remove this 5/8 bolt in from behind here. That's screwed in there to retain that rear counterweight assembly. For hire companies, this is really pertinent because you don't want your customers going in and opening up this area unnecessarily. With the easy access through the two doors to get your daily service points done, there is no need for your customers to swing open this counterweight. In the event of the 500-hour service though, access is preferable. Simply by removing this 5/8 bolt and then coming to the right side service door, we can open that up. In behind the service door is an over-centre latch. Simply by releasing the over-centre latch, then allows us to swing this whole assembly out and open up the rear of the engine's assembly. In here now, we've got clear access to the engine oil filter, we've got clear access to the battery and any other engine components on this side that we need to access. We can check hoses going onto our hydraulic pump, which is direct shaft mounted to the back of the engine. That is easily accessible from this position. Another outstanding feature with the JCB 18Z Mini Excavator is its warranty. From the hitch to the tail, this machine is covered with 3 years, 3,000 hour warranty. The hitch is a JCB component, genuine, and it's a full mechanical hitch. With a full mechanical hitch, it's easy to release your bucket compared with a half hitch. On a half hitch, you actually have to remove this pin from the rear of the bucket. On the JCB full mechanical hitch, we just release the safety pin and pressure the spring to release the rear pin. As simple as that. Everything is integrated and contained within the hitch itself. The hitch is also made of cast, so that theme of low whole of life costs is also reiterated with our hitch. The outstanding hydraulic performance on this machine is partly due to the large cylinders and ram spares used on the bucket crowd, the dipper and the boom. Being able to use a combination of functions on this machine at full power is driven by the hydraulic pump and valve assemblies. Breakout force at the bucket is a big 18 kilonewtons, and you can feel that difference when you hop on the 18Z compared to other machines of the same size. The 18Z is also equipped with one auxiliary valve that provides both single acting for the hammer function or double acting for an auger function. Quick release couplers are standard on all JCB mini excavators. The JCB king post is a bushed king post. The pins run in bushes inserted into the cast king post. This provides low life costs over a long period of time. As this area wears, it's the bush that wears rather than the king post. Replacing the bushes within the king post are a lot lower cost than refurbishing or replacing the complete king post itself. The hydraulic hose routing for the boom, dipper and bucket functions are all housed and tracked up inside the boom for long life, minimal damage. Again, lowering the whole of life costs of owning a JCB 18Z. The ROPS certified two-post canopy is a strong structure, as you can see. It provides weight in the right area for a zero tail swing machine. Because of the zero tail swing, our distance between the centre of the turret and the rear of the tailgate is short. But adding the two-post ROPS frame structure here provides that additional weight, which will give great balance when digging with the front end of the machine. The wide opening up onto the platform gives easy, quick and safe access into the operator's seat. Once you're in the seat, it is very roomy up here, and the visibility to the work site is unrestricted and absolutely awesome. Once in the seat, there's plenty of room to sit yourself and get comfortable. The machine is equipped with a seat belt to hold you in the seat. The controls are very easy and intuitive to use. On JCB excavators, by lowering the left pod, still leaves the hydraulic controls isolated. This is called the two-go safety isolation system, and that provides maximum security both for the operator and people who are out on the site. To get the hydraulics and controls working requires a deliberate touch of the two-go button over on the right-hand console. Simply by flicking that button then gives you full control of the machine. The drive control levers have T-top handles. This allows operators to use one hand to easily control the direction of the machine. On the floor, tucked way forward, are the controls for the auxiliary operating either hammer or auger, and on the right side for operating the boom swing. As you can see, the forward position of these provide good space and optimum space for the operator. So that's the 18Z. To book a demo, call 1300 522 232. And don't forget to ask your dealer about our Smart Choice Finance package. 0 deposit and 0 payment for 4 months. For detailed specifications on the 18Z, download the brochure from our website at jcbcea.com.au.